Oh, you suka? Yeah. Suka is our permaculture expert here. So he's the one who will control. He just came in the team now. So it's just planning at the moment, planning the gardens. So here, this is new. We just add this pond, just been done recently. And over there, we have the fish ponds. So there's two basins here, fish pond and this one. We already put some over there. And this is what we decided here behind. This under, we will make the cold room.
Yeah.
So all the, what we need to preserve,
Like
we're
that.
gonna be put under. And on top, we're gonna make a tea room. So that means like the pond will be just in front of the,
Like a view.
yeah, the Chinese tea room. So yeah, very exciting. Looking forward. What's your plan here?
I want to make it the pigs first, the soil for the later on. The plant this will be growing
Stronger, yeah.
stronger.
Uh-huh.
And then without using kimia fertilizer, we are only using the organic fertilizer.
Uh-huh.
Done here.
Are you gonna still do extra compost?
Yeah, this already.
outside also?
Yeah, this already. This
Yeah?
already.
Let's have a look.
Yes, come in.
Hi, Park. So here, this part here will be kind of a meditation park, you know. It will be a place where we will just make beautiful, still growing, yeah. We're growing turmeric, ginger, with flowers, and here it's all fruit trees around. So we still, you know, everywhere there's food, but it's gonna be organized where we're gonna have some benches, and you know, it's in the shade, and so we can really come and work here and relax, be quiet, and sip tea, and yeah, work. It's our office after all, right? Yeah. So all the way to what you see there, that will be a park, just a park, nice park. More fruit trees everywhere. We're gonna put all the names eventually. This is where we're planning to have more fruit trees here, you know, everywhere. This farm, when I bought, it was already 15 years old, so the trees are mature. So now we're pruning, and because it was abandoned, so now we're pruning so it can produce more. But this is all fruit trees, you can see. Hey, Pa, hello. Hello. This is our team from other farm who come to help us build here. We have another farm in another part of Bali, close to Java, and they come. So here behind is the kitchen. Over there is where we're gonna process what we're gonna collect, harvest from the farm. And over here we're gonna make kind of a reading room, a little library. So that's the plan. That's what they are here to build. And we do that all with recycled wood from the other building, because we're building over there, the headquarters actually, and we put things down, and whatever we don't use, the windows, the doors, the wood, everything, we use that here. So we all do with recycled here. So pretty excited. I'm excited with these little things. And this here will be, you see, now the workers are still live here, you know. But as soon as it's finished, we're gonna put all the terracotta. We'll make this very nice. Yeah, very nice. And it will be the sprout house for the sprouts that we're gonna eat. So that's gonna be the. I'm very excited with this room, you know. Yeah. Gonna be look good. Yeah. Did you fix this one? Not yet, right?
Not yet.
And this is the old one who broke, right?
Yeah, this old one.
So it's not the new one.
Yeah, not you.
All also there. Yeah.
Yeah. For the nursery, the plant or the future will be mixed, like for the less have much to what's the call it the plan for the replanting in this
Ready,
area, yes.
rotating.
Yes, rotate.
Yeah, so that's the, over there, that's the nursery.
Nursery, yes.
Yeah, we're gonna sprout the, you know, sprout the seeds over here before we plant them in the garden.
Yeah, in the garden.
Yeah, yeah. So this we haven't organized yet, and here will be for the poultry.
Poultry. Yeah.
Poultry, so chicken,
Chicken,
ducks,
duck, yes.
quails,
Quail,
maybe all this. So all this space here, we're gonna make a very nice park for
yes.
for the poultry. Yeah, so we can have our organic poultry.
Yes, for the supporting
Yeah.
the organic plant around here.
Yeah. Also,
yes.
what do you mean? You mean you're gonna collect the?
Like we can collect like animal waste.
Yes.
For the come back again for the mix of the soil for the support the soil for the make it stronger.
Okay. Yeah. So so you're gonna need to participate into the design of their house so we can collect.
Okay.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. I was thinking of organizing the house in the circle over there. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Well, we can always change our mind, but I thought it was a good place for that.
Want to make it around here.
Yeah. Look how cool is that? Can you see?
Okay.
Yeah, that's to cover this path there.
This path.
You know? Cool. Very cool.
Thank you.
Yeah. Wow. Nice, very exciting. Yeah. So here you're just preparing the soil as
Yes,
well, right?
just preparing the waiting the soil is coming, and then I want to when the soil is coming, I want to progress around here for the make it detail, and then for the make it the progress good quality like dry nicer is very working like that. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And this one you wanna sewing with the guys,
Oh yeah.
okay? And it'll be
That's the herbal. Have a look. That's the behind the kitchen we just visited. It's not very clear, but yeah, that's the plan. He's kind of planning and proposing the moment.
yes.
Yeah.